Hi, my name is Jacob Hunter and I'm the Development Manager at Stockland, Newport. With so much activity in the last few months, we're really excited to provide an update. The Newport Marketplace grand opening was a great success. IGA and Reformer Pilates are now open. Over the coming months, the health precinct, food and beverage, and beauty and fitness areas will all be open. I'm here in Lakeview Park, which was recently opened to the public. Behind me to the left is the second part of the lake, which was recently filled. The community celebrated with water sports, kids activities, and spectacular fireworks in the evening. Here I am in the new fitness park where we've recently held a number of community boot camps which have been really well received. The lake bund which you can see behind me will start to be removed soon. This will allow vessel passage between both parts of the lake. From a civil construction point of view, stage 62 is nearly complete, stage 63 has now commenced earthworks and stage 64 will commence earthworks soon. With only a handful of lakefront lots remaining, please reach out to the team to find out more. Don't miss your last chance to join this thriving lakefront community.